Hello everybody, on this beautiful day we're gonna bring you guys along with us today. We're gonna be doing some tree work. We'll show you guys what we got going on. It's gonna be a nice day. Just want to show you guys, we had the place all asphalted. Looks really good. They did the front section. I wish I could do it all, but for now we can't. We're gonna do it what's within our budget. Looks really good though. Makes it nice and clean. We'll just fix that up over there. We'll put some lawn. We'll put some nice dirt down, put some lawn, so that way they can mow it. Nice stuff. Really happy with what they had done, what we had done here. So we had those little curbs done for the flower beds, just so it looks nice. That's part of we have to have that with the town here. The town asked us to put flowers in front of the shop. I just thought I'd show you guys this. Looks really good. I like how they did about 10 feet inside the gate. That's nice of them to do. So you guys come along with us today and enjoy the video. See you guys. All right, we just showed up here. We're gonna have 11 of these trees to cut down. We're not gonna be doing them all in one shot. We're gonna be doing trees and stumps. They're all marked. Problem we have is they all have these steel poles in them. They were put back in the day when they installed these trees. We have to cut them out because if not, it'd be hard on the grinders, the stump grinders. Show you guys here, we got to build some kind of contraption so we can get the grinders, because we're on such a steep incline. See how we put the boards with a piece of wood underneath. Because look at the incline we have here. I'll show you guys, we're having quite a time there with these stumps. Look, you got these steel rods right here. They all have them. They've been in there for so long, they're in the middle of the stump. It was full of cars right here. These three spaces had that Mercedes right there. Got a couple branches there. We cut another one there. Then we did a couple up at the end here. I'll show you guys. And the boys are still doing the stump on one over in the corner over there. All right, some of the guys are showing up. Our Stump Grinders had a hard time today. We were really hard on them. All those trees we did that had all of those steel rods in them. Look at that, it bent all the teeth. Either it bent the teeth or it broke the carbide right off. Look, the carbide is gone there. Look at them. Look at how bent that is. That's supposed to be straight. I'll show you a straight one. I'll show you a good one. So they're supposed to look like. Look at that. Bent all of them. All of them are bent. And we're gonna do the teeth on the chipper because we want to make sure tomorrow we're gonna do trees again. Next time we do trees, that everything will be okay. Let me see how they look. They're not too bad, or no, we won't take a chance. We'll change them. Have less of a chance of something happening. There's a bunch of chains that are ready. See those chainsaw blade chains? They're all ready to go. All right. So the boys are doing the stump grinders. Those manual stump grinders, I don't know why we never got around to buy like a great big one. I guess we never really needed it. We don't do great big stumps. We just do smaller stuff. They worked out for us over the last 15 years. All right. So the boys should be pulling in here slowly. Start coming in. Hot day today. It's around 30 around. I'd say 85 to 90 degrees today. Very hot. All right, you guys. See you guys next one. Adios, amigos.